This is a tutorial for the header options of your website. Now, this is a little bit different than the header widgets for a page. The header widget is the topmost widget of a website, usually like a title or something similar right here. However, the header options in the options and header, this is actually referring to the navigation bar and that header at up top right here. So that's what this is controlling. If you ever want to hide your navigation bar, you can simply turn that on to show no nav or header. You'll notice that has now disappeared. And you can turn it back off in order to show it like normal. You can also fix it to the top because normally when you scroll, it stays at the top of the website, but you can fix it to the top of the screen so that it's always at the top when you're scrolling. Now that is a little bit different than the option below, which will reappear when scrolling. This is going to be always fixed at the top. However, the reappear when scrolling is going to fix it to the top, and it's going to let you scroll a little bit, and then it'll pop down at the top of the screen. So you see how when we scroll, it doesn't follow us until we go down far enough, and then it pops up there. So it's just a slightly different effect for different looks, whatever you want to do. This transparent / show on scroll will make it a bit more transparent. And you can also upload images for your header and your favicon. Those can be drag and dropped into the system, or you can browse to your folder and upload them. And the header image is what's going to show on this left right here, and the favicon is what's actually going to show on your tab of a browser. That's a little icon on the tab that shows up on your browser. You can even put text above the header if you want. So if you save this, this is going to show any text that you want above. See how now there's text above. And you can also add search forms, and that'll automatically add a search form to the header so that users can type for keywords and phrases, and that'll help them find it on that website. And you can also manually manage the header, and you can show which pages are available. So if you want to only show certain pages that they can navigate to, you can select which pages from here. And you can also add custom buttons and links by clicking this button, and you can choose what type of link or button. Simply watch the buttons widget tutorial in order to understand more of that. And that's it for the main site header options. You can also add social media links in the header as well. So if you go down to this page, you can find your social link and you can input them here, and that'll show up right here on the header. Now keep in mind, the profile page is not always going to be the first page you see when you log in. You have to make sure you copy your actual social profile URL for that page that you want to show and paste that here. And you can also add custom code as well. So if you wanted to do like any JavaScript or custom code, you would simply paste that here, and that'll apply it automatically to the navigation and headers bar.